Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin's price action has been, for lack of a better word, uneventful. The highly anticipated support at the dashed yellow horizontal around 111,000 did not hold. Price briefly dipped toward 110,000, where it found some stability before edging back upward. Overall, there has been very little net movement since yesterday, but keep in mind it is the weekend, historically a period of reduced volatility. According to my flashback market stats indicator, Mondays have closed positive about 52.57% of the time, with an average gain of roughly 1.98%. Tuesdays perform slightly better, closing positive 54% of the time, with an average gain of about 1.78%. Based on those stats, the start of the week could bring more noticeable activity within the next 24 hours. Looking at the 3-day heat map, two significant areas stand out both above and below the current price near 110.5 thousand. The more prominent zone sits overhead at approximately 114.6 thousand. On the 1-week heat map, there's an interesting detail. Around 106.6 thousand, we can see increased positioning activity. Over the last day, many participants have been taking larger exposure, roughly 25 to 30x leverage, right at that level. What makes this unusual is that the sentiment index is hovering in the lower neutral range, bordering on mild fear. It's a curious setup and definitely worth watching closely. In other news, Grant Cardone has reportedly sold his Miami mansion for 400 Bitcoin, roughly $42 million at today's value. It feels surreal when you think back to the days when Bitcoin was trading around only $100. I will continue providing updates daily. Join the free Discord for real-time market discussions. Tap the like button if you found value in this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.